So in the previous video, we have set up stop loss, okay? So now we're protecting your budgets, but huge problem that comes up quite often. Someone sees your ad early in the morning, then leaves off to work and then makes the purchase at lunch break, right? But maybe at this point of time, stop loss has already paused the ad set. So we have Revive in place to spot this delayed attribution and turn the ad set back on. So let's go inside because the setup is very straightforward. First, select your event. Please make sure that the event is, no matter how you set up your stop loss, is your final event, right? If you're optimizing for purchase, if you want to generate leads or app installs, please choose one of those three events. I go for the purchase here. Now it's again, two-step process. First, if today's ad set, paused ad set, got a purchase attributed, turn it back on. Okay, if it got an app install attributed, turn it back on or whatever, right? Please make sure that this is aligned with your stop loss. Then the second step, and because we do not just care about the purchase itself, we also care about the quality of the purchase. So in this case, it's going to be ROAS. Okay, so if the pause ad set generated a purchase in delayed attribution, and this purchase has now generated a certain ROAS, turn it back on. Small pro hack, please make sure that this ROAS is a bit higher than you've set on stop loss. Why? Because if you have, let's say you stop loss at 2.5 ROAS and you revive at 2.5 ROAS, now you stop loss an ad set, then you got the purchase, now it's at 2.51 and then immediately it gets stop lost again. Right? So you had turn it on, turn it off, turn it on, turn it off, and then at midnight you turn it back on again. Too much movement. So please go a little bit higher in your ROAS goal. If you stop less at 2.5, revive at 2.8. That's kind of good metrics. So that's it. That's the setup. You can click on next. Again, you can choose your strategy. Please make sure that you choose the same parts of the strategy that you're stop lossing in, and that's it. Click next, and now you're reviving. Congratulations. Let's move on.